Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is top 5 low cap coins.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and yeah, we'll be talking about top 5 small cap coins that potentially will blow, and this is not financial advice.
Before we get into the video, please may I ask you press the red subscribe button, as only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed, so if you're pressing that like button it really helps out in the algorithm. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, as that also helps out in the algorithm, and leave a comment on future videos you'd like to see from us. Thank you very much. Let's get into the video.
So as you can see, we've chose Strong, and we're going to be talking about Strong in more depth in the next video. However, the reason why we chose Strong is that currently they are providing nodes. So if you own 10 Strong tokens, that will give you one node. The one node makes you 0.1 Strong a day, okay? Which currently calculates to $14.1, alright? Which is perfect. It'll give you passive income. And in my opinion, I think this is a strong project. It supports the Ethereum network and also helps you, earn passive income. As the more Strong you earn, the more Strong you hold, the more money you'll make, which is a great thing to do. The market cap is currently just below $20 million, which is still very tiny, okay? So we've kind of chosen very small micro cap coins, okay? And keep in mind, this coin, it could reach $100 million market cap in no time, in my opinion. And once it does that, the price could be at $600. And if you're earning 0.1 Strong from your node, you'll be earning around, let's say, $60 once it reaches that. Right now, you'll be earning around $14, but as you know, your Strong will constantly be up, so you're constantly earning passive income. And the more Strong you have, the more, the more nodes you can get as well. So it's literally a passive income.
So next up is Orn and Coti. I'm going to do these together because they're actually partnered. And if you don't know about Orn, you need to get to know about Orn, because this is extremely unique compared to all the other compared to any other coin out there. Like, it's due to be at a few $100s. If you want to know more about what Orn actually does, then I recommend you go watching our video on Orn and Coti. We did one literally for them together in one video, so we'll link that down below in the description. So first thing, looking at the market cap, it's extremely small, and for where Orn actually was, I believe it was around $20, just to double check this. Never mind, it was $30. So, and if we're looking at where we are now, look at how much room there is. And with this kind of market cap, even when it was at $30, the market cap was still very small for what Orn can do. Once it's become more known and more mainstream, Orn is going to be huge. I fully believe in Orn. Coti is similar. Basically, they have the debit card which is releasing very soon, which is also going to make the price spike up a lot just from that. So if we have a look at the market cap as well, that is extremely small. And the all-time high for Coti was almost 60 cents, and if we have a look at it right now, 23 cents. So once again, huge room to grow there, almost 4x right there if you purchase now from where it was, just to go back to where it was. So we have a look at the charts here. We had the huge pump, now we've had the huge downtrend as well. I believe that we will have another pump I believe there will be another pump in the short term as alt season, as we start going into those higher numbers to the near hundreds again.
So we've talked about Gala Games before, and right now the price for you to start yielding your money is around 4 Ethereums, which is pretty high right now. However, back then 4 Ethereums wasn't as much as what it is now. And yeah, this also gives you passive income and allows you to earn a lot of money from just holding this token. And in the future, this could be worth a lot more money, which is why many people are getting involved early, and they won't be regretting, especially 4 Ethereums, which is currently worth around $10,000. And if you think about it, if you purchase Gala Games as basically node, you will start earning passive income from that, which you can either choose to sell early or you can wait for an even higher price. And in my opinion, Gala Games is really destined for higher. Currently listed at $82 million market cap, as you can see, very tiny. Also has room to grow. You can definitely see this over $1 billion market cap. All right, this is not financial advice. And $1 billion market cap isn't as much as what you've seen, especially now that we're still early. You should know that we are still very, very early towards the altcoin season. The reason because of this is like Elon Musk pumping and dumping coins. Okay, as you may know, that we are still very early. We've not had any institutional introduction into cryptocurrency. We have had a bit, but we've not had like the amount where, cryptos are regulated, or when cryptos are, not fluctuating this high every day, either 10% movements or 50% movements.
So once again, we have also done a video on Reef. I highly recommend you watch that video as well if you want to know more about what they do. But briefly, they're an aggregator for the blockchain, and they are running on the Polkadot network. So if I look at the market cap, once again, it is extremely small market cap, and for what they're doing. And another good thing about holding Reef is you can stake it, and that's another 10 to 20% you're earning as a passive income. This is what we're always trying to push when you buy a coin. Is if you can stake it, then you should stake it. As long as it's not locked staking, then there's no reason why you shouldn't be staking, as it's just passive income. So if we have a look at Reef's all-time high, it was been to almost 60 cents once again, and it is 24 cents right now. So there is also another like almost 4x gain there to be had, 3x.
As we can see, the current market is, fluctuating up and down every single day, which is, what we expect. We don't want any more people to be, getting involved into the market. We want to get as many people out of the market before we experience crazy moves. And many people are currently, hating on Elon Musk. But in my opinion, I think we should be thanking Elon Musk, because if stuff just kept on pumping and Elon Musk didn't get involved and, end up dumping crypto, then, we would experience an even worse correction than what we have experienced. So, in my opinion, I think we should be thanking Elon Musk for what he's done, because he has, many people see him as, a letdown, but in my opinion, he has made crypto survive.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that subscribe button and also like the video. Thank you very much, and have a lovely rest of your day.